Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a driving instructor website using Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because you can get started for completely free. It is also beginner friendly and easy to use. So you're going to go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address or your Facebook account. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Then after tapping on Create New Site, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once on this page, what I want you to do is tap on the search bar, and from there you're going to type in driving. So you can type in driving real quick. Then you will see the option Driving Instructor. You're going to select that. Then you will tap on Continue, and you'll be redirected to your website dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can add in a name for your website, so you can enter in the name right there. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from here, you can select your site goals. So we'll be offering services, so we're going to tap on Offering Services. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After doing that, you can see the option Booking Calendar has been added, and by scrolling down, you can see other ads that you can add, other apps that you can add, better yet. So for example, you can also add the blog if you would like to write articles. You can also scroll down if you like to display previous customers that you have dealt with. You can select portfolio and you can display your work. You can also scroll down, and if it is a case that you'd like to sell an online program, you can tap on Online Program right there. Then you'll tap on Continue and select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Catalog. Once you have selected Catalog, from there you're going to see the Services page. And all you need to do now, from here, for example, if you want to offer virtual consultation, you can do that. So you could tap right there on Virtual Consultation. And then from there, we could change the cover image. So we'll tap on the X to remove that image. Then tap on the plus, and you can choose to upload media, or you can tap on media from Wix. And then from there, we're just going to type in driving, and I'm going to be using some copyright free images. So let's say for example sake, I would use this one, and I'm going to tap on add to page, and you can see how it looks. Then we'll scroll down and you can change the duration. So let's say 30 minutes. Then we'll scroll down and we're going to make this free. So we'll select free right there. Or if you like to charge a fee for the consultation, you can select fixed price. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. After you have tapped on save, so we'll tap on save anyway, you can continue adding more services. So we could tap on add a new service in the top right hand corner, then tap on start from scratch. Then after doing that, we could type in, for example sake, driving lessons. Then again, we'll add a cover image, so we'll tap on add image. I'm going to tap on media from Wix once more, and I'm going to type in driving, and I'm going to be selecting another image. So let's say for example say this one. Then after you have done that, you can add a quick description, add the duration, then scroll down, and from there you can choose whether it is with a plan or a fixed price or varied price. So I'm going to be selecting fixed price, and let's say $100. And by scrolling down, you can also add staff members, and you could assign it to staff members. Then you will tap on save. Now you can continue adding more services just like that. After adding the services that you would like to render, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Getting Paid. After selecting Getting Paid, you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. Depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, and I'll be able to offer TillaPay, PayPal. But if I were to change my location by tapping on Jamaica, and let's say I were to change it to United States, you realize that I can now offer a different set of payment options, as you can see right there. I'll be able to accept payment using Wix. I can also tap on See More Payment option, and we'll be able to accept Square, Afterpay, Affirm, and so much more, as you can see there. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Keep in mind, once you sign up to a payment option, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. The only free plan that you can use with Wix is the PayPal option right here. So you can connect PayPal for free. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can simply type in driving right here. So we'll type in driving instructor, and we'll select that option. After you have done that, you can see the different templates that they recommend. So you can scroll down until you see one of your liking. So for example's sake, I'm just going to be selecting this option right here. So we'll tap on Edit. After you have selected Edit, you'll be redirected to this page, and you'll just give it a few seconds while your website is being rendered in the background. Once it is up and running, you could tap in the box right here and type some information that you'd like to be added to your website. After you're finished, you can tap on Generate Site Text, but typically I would just close the box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then after I've done that, I will go over to the header section, select the header section, then tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. And from there, you can change the name on the right hand column. So for example, we'll be changing it to Driving School. And you can also change this section right here. So for example, I'll just remove that section overall. Then we'll tap on the X, and then you can continue editing going down the line. So for example's sake, if you would like to change this section, you can tap on Quick Edit. Then we could tap on Change and change the background image. So we'll select Image. Then I'm going to select Media from Wix, and I'm just going to select Driving once more. And I'm going to be selecting one of these pictures. So let's say, for example, say this pic. Then we'll tap on Change Background, and you can see it right there. After doing that, you can scroll down, and you can edit the About Me section by selecting it. And you can scroll down from the right hand column. You could change the picture, and you can also change the text. And going over to the top left hand corner, you can tap on Home, and from here you can see all of the pages on your website. So you could select services and from there you can see how the service page looks. And if it is a case that you would like to add a feature that you don't see on your website, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which is Add Elements, and then from there you can see all of the elements that you can add. So for example, let's say I would like to add an image to this page. Just for example's sake, I could hover over Image. Then from there we can tap on Upload an Image. So you could tap on Upload and Import, and then from there you can select any one of these options. So you could tap on Upload Images, Import Images from, for example, Google Drive or Facebook, or you can select one of the Wix free images. So let's say we were to select one of the free images. All you'll need to do is drag and place the element on the website. Then you can tap on Change Image, and from there we could select a particular image. So let me tap on Driving once more, and then I'm going to be selecting this image for example's sake. After doing that, you can see how it looks, and it is the same with all of the elements, whether it be a picture, video, music, anything at all. It is the same concept. All you need to do is drag and place it on the website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once someone visits your website, they'll tap on Book Now, or they can tap on Services, and then after doing that, they'll be redirected to this page, and they'll tap on Book Now. After tapping on Book Now, from here they can choose the date, and they can choose the time that they would like to book your service. Then they'll tap on Next, and from there they'll fill out their information and also the payment option. Thanks for watching.